PA Cyber, thanks for joining me for the newest edition of The Click. We're already 2 weeks into school, and by now, I'm sure you've all noticed some of the changes in the programs you use for class. For virtual students, one of those changes is the use of the new learning management platform, Schoology. Schoology, which replaced Edmastery, combines content, management, assessment, grading, and social networking all into one program. Schoology provides both students and teachers with more functionality and a more user-friendly interface. And the program is linked to MySchool, so you can access it right from there. As with any new program, there is a learning curve for getting to know it and using it with ease, so our virtual teachers will be working to help familiarize you with the program. You can also find a guided tutorial of Schoology located in Blackboard. And as always, questions regarding any of the programs you use should be directed to either your teacher or your instructional supervisor. The Student Achievement Department here at PA Cyber is committed to one thing and one thing only: the achievement of all students, as its name implies. Student Achievement uses DORA and DOMA testing to help you discover your academic strengths and challenges. From there, your IS has helped you choose a supplemental reading or math program to help you master those skills. And Student Achievement provides each student with 24-hour-a-day, year-round access to our PSSA prep program, Study Island. Our success making AYP for the third year in a row is impacted by the completion of 250 math and 250 reading questions by all our students each year. To learn more about Student Achievement and its programs, you can email Student Achievement Director Dana Kraker. Well, speaking of Student Achievement, let's jump right into the Student Spotlight. Third grader Lucas Hallahan and his brother, second grader Nathan, have been BMX racers since 2009. Recently, these brothers competed in the BMX Grand National in Kentucky, where Lucas came in 7th in the nation and Nathan placed 2nd in the nation in their respective age groups. The Hallahan brothers are members of a factory racing team with sponsors that include Vitamin Water. 7th grader James William Goff plays outside linebacker for the Blue Ridge Triplets in New Milford, PA. In last weekend's game, James was credited with 1 tackle and broke up 2 passes. 10th grader Eve Gardner of Union City runs cross country and track for her local high school team. This spring, during what was her freshman season, Eve placed 4th at districts and broke her school record for the 200-meter dash with a time of 27.2 seconds. And student Jonathan Rachel of White Oak went on a missions trip this summer to help the Buffalo Dream Center feed the needy and homeless. John says the work the Dream Center does helping the less fortunate is inspiring, and that volunteering there changed his life and gave him a new attitude towards dealing with difficult situations. Congratulations to all the students featured in this week's Student Spotlight, and keep up the good work. Well, from the Student Spotlight to a Teacher Spotlight, congratulations are in order for Mrs. Adriana Hogue. She has been named the PA Cyber Teacher of the Month for September. Mrs. Hogue is a full-time instructional supervisor in the Price Academy. If you have Mrs. Hogue, be sure to tell her congratulations. Even though it's still early in the school year, assignments requiring research are not too far off. When tackling those assignments this year, be sure to take advantage of the best educational search engine available, NetTrekker. NetTrekker is the leading educational search tool for schools because it brings you digital resources in a safe, relevant, and engaging way, making research faster, easier, and more productive than just using Google or Bing. PA Cyber subscribes to the service, so it is available for all students to use at any time during the year. All you need is your PA Cyber username and password. Go to nettrekker.com to start trekking today. And seniors, it's never too early to start thinking about college. If you live in the Western Pennsylvania area, then attend the Penn State Beaver Campus College Fair on Thursday, September 29th from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. You can visit the Penn State Beaver website for more information. Well, that about does it for this episode of The Click. I do want to remind you that there's only a short time left for your parents to complete the E-Rate and Title I survey found in Blackboard. Be sure to remind them and make your family eligible to win a Canon digital camera or an Apple iPod Touch. Remember, the results of this survey help us to receive federal funds to improve educational services and opportunities for all students. Until next time, I'm your host, Tony Saccone Craig. Thanks for clicking on The Click.